quick unboxing video. 2 con flats, 12-ton BR insulated van, 12-ton southern planked vented van, and I can't quite read the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plank wagon, all from Bachmann, all second hand, but have all been weathered by the chap in my local antique shop. Let's have a look. I'm not running them today. They'll appear in a later video. What? Something? Oh, it's got tarpaulin in the corner. Very clever. Still in their original boxes with all the original wrapping. They were worried in the shop that one of the boxes had a little bit of damage. I'm afraid I'm not that bothered. I do keep the boxes, but I'm not bothered about a little bit of damage. The second hand, this one looks interesting. This is the insulated white van. Quite heavily weathered, I would say that is. Move these other ones out of the way. I'll pop them in a siding in a minute so we can just have a picture of them. If I can find them. I've been doing a bit of scenery work, trying to make the buildings, trying to hide that horrible gap you get between buildings when you plant them. So I've been putting little bits of turf up against them. And there we are, there's the 2 little flat wagons. Right. Here we go then, let's see how this goes. Just inner siding and just pulling out onto the goods line. And there they are. I already had the freight van. That's it. Just a short one.